Hey guys, this is Joyce and I am here with, look at my hands, no polish. I am here with a really quick video because I should be packing for my weekend trip and I am not doing it. I'm just got too many other things going on. I made my son's birthday card and I used this man card paper by Tracy Smith that we got at Expo. It is by Photo Play and it is the kit. Very nice paper. I'm so glad I decided to get that. Let's move these out the way. I did finish those, but let's get those out the way for the moment. Too many projects going on and not enough being completed yet. That is something I showed you those already. Let's get that out the way. But anyway, I did a really quick card. The paper I used, what I just showed you, and I used this sheet that says Sharp Stud Gentleman, and it's just repeated around it. This is one of the cutouts, and it just says, "It's your birthday, big guy." And I just used my microwave is going off. I don't see the die that I used, but it just said "Celebrate." And then I bought some of the gold paper from Michael's, and it's so thin I used it to mat both my pieces there. And then on the inside I used these are Cuttlebug, Anna Griffin Cuttlebug dies, and they had so much adhesive I took them off the adhesive. But, and both of these came from that set. It just says "Happy Birthday" and "With Love. Love, Mom." And I cut that out of the paper. Let me tell you, if you're going to cut out words, use the thicker paper, because I cut out several of these that by it being so thin I couldn't get them out of the die. But yeah, so that is my son's birthday card. Just signed it, need to put it in an envelope so it can be mailed tomorrow. And then I used, let me find the die I got from Heartfelt Creations that I did these flowers with, and I had already done them in blue, turquoise rather. So let me pull the right die, pull the die and the stamp set for you. My light went out in the closet, so guess what? I can't see a thing. It wasn't the petunia, it was the blazing poppy. Oh. Okay, yeah. I used the blazing poppy stamp. I stamped it with Momenta ink, and then I used the die. And instead of using glitter, I think these came out so pretty. Even though they layered more layers together than I did, I love how these turned out, and I can't wait to add them to some projects. I did, and instead of using glitter, I pulled out my stickles, okay? And because glitter, I hate to use glitter in my house, because the minute I open it, glitter sticks to everything. I can't stand it. But I love how my flowers came out. I used the mold, the basic mold that I bought. I just think these, and putting that stickles on there, they just came out so pretty. I really like them. So I will be playing some more. It didn't hold my shape as much as I would have liked, but that's okay. Flat is good. I did a couple small ones, and I have to tell you, I think there's a couple missing because there were more small ones. But I can't wait to put these on projects. And this was one I had 2 red leaves left, and I put that other blue one on the back. So those are my quick projects. I don't know where my other flowers went, but they're somewhere around here. Anyway, I just wanted to share that because I will be going out of town this weekend and I have such much to do. And I don't know whether I'm going to take my computer or not. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I think we will be making more of these. And on this one, the ink I used was the Momentum Dewdrops, and it's one of the red ones. and then I use Distress ink on the blue one. And when I put the stickles on, I really like how it kind of smeared the Distress ink. I just love how the color turned out. Thank you guys. Really appreciate you watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Ooh, one red thumb and one no thumb. Yeah, I think I'm going to take a break from the nail stuff, because the gel nail, because my nails are so damaged now. But anyway, guys, I know you don't care about that. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe.